Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today I'm gonna be doing my first Boxyluxe unboxing. This is the box, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and if you're new, welcome. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. But recently they started doing a Boxyluxe, and that happens every 3 months, and it's $59.99 and you get 9 to 10 full-size products. So here's my first Boxyluxe, and this is how the box looks like. It's pretty big. I was like really excited. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So the theme for this month is Tits the Sea Sun, and this card is really big compared to the other one. And this here just tells you the things that you got and the prices. So the first thing that I got is this mini strainer. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $75. And I got a yellow one. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't wait to use it because I do have short hair. Well, it's not that short anymore, but you know, we can make it work. This is the second thing that I got, and it's this bag. And it says Glam AF. And it does have a portable charger. It's not focusing. And you guys, I'm sorry, but I was eating hot Cheetos, and this is the reason why my fingers look like that. I'm so sorry. So this charger, it is for Android and iPhone. So this is the iPhone, and then for the Android you just connect it on the second one, and then there you have it. Next thing is this highlight and blush palette. And this retails for $26, and it's like, this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. Now is this body wash buffer, and this smells so good, you guys. And it's a little star. Oh my god, it smells good. Look, smell this. Now is this mascara by Lorac, and this retails for $24, and it says increase thickness, shine, curl, and length to your lashes with the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade Mascara. And this is the wand of the mascara. And now we have this Tarte glitter lip paint, and this retails for $20, and it says this sheer lip gloss is influenced with shimmer and glitter and delivers a delicious multi-dimensional anti-shine finish. This reflective glitter gives your lips a fuller look, while the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat and soften the lips. So I got mine in shade Strike Gold. Next thing, we have this anti-aging cream, and this retails for $89, you guys. So so this is what it looks like. No, it's not focusing. Oh, there you go. So this cream is proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So the reason why I was so excited about was because of this. This is the reason why I decided to upgrade to Boxyluxe, just to get this. I mean, it's because the brushes are like so beautiful, and it does have 8 brushes, and this retails for let me check. For $65, you guys. And it does have a little thing, because I saw on the videos that they posted in Boxyluxe. It does have like a little stand, so you could put them. I don't even know how to open it. So this is what the brush set looks like, and it does have this this lip brush, and this is how you put it. This is like so cute. I don't know, I just love all the brushes that they put in every box. I really like them. Lastly is this palette, and I did try it yesterday, and it's so pigmented, you guys. I don't know, it's like so pretty. Oh my god. So, oh my god. So this is how the palette looks like. It's like so beautiful, you guys. And then the mirror, sorry, you can see me right there. But the mirror is like so big, and I really love that. And this retails for $45. So the value for this box is $386. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And we're almost at 400 subscribers. Thank you so much, you guys, for all of you guys' support. I don't know, I can't believe it. Thank you so much. And I am gonna be doing giveaways pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And once again, thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Glitter gives your lips a fuller a fuller I can't say it. And it says clinique